What's up, guys? Echo here once again. Alright, I'll start by saying Happy New Week. So, on my screen right now, we have gold and what I'm expecting to see this week. So, just as simple as it has always been, or as simple as I try to make it look. This is gold we have on my screen right now, and I'm still holding my bias on gold. You guys remember I said I was expecting to see price take off liquidity, come back down to this area. So now we got to this point, right? We didn't sweep out liquidity the way I expected it. We just swept out this liquidity around here with this guy here. Sorry, I'm sounding like this. I'm actually, I'm just recovering. I've been really stressed, so it was telling on my health. So, uh, price just did this thing, took out this guy here, swept out liquidity, but not as much as this as I was expecting. So we took out this liquidity, came back down here into this area, into this area I was anticipating, right? And currently we're going. So what am I expecting to see gold do? I'm bullish. Since we've gotten to this point, I have my I have more confidence that we're actually gonna keep buying, and gold we actually have to create another all-time high. So we might be gunning for 6k thereabout, because after we've gotten to this point we might be getting to 6k. So but now we're not gonna get there just in one day, right? So what am I expecting? I want to see price actually just come down a little bit, right? Come back down into this area, then boom. This is what I'm just anticipating to see the market do. Right, once price gets down into this area, we'll continue buying. Now, if you look at it from the lower time frame, we'd actually see that okay, price actually tried to sweep out liquidity of these guys that were that were really selling and buying. So also, let me go back to my Oanda chart. So now on Oanda, now you saw how this price just messed us up, right? Messed us up. Had sweep of liquidity. Price actually just took us out and bought, but then we didn't rush it. Same as this guy here. Price took us out and sold, but then this is a new week. Would actually let me take it out. This is a new week, and so this is a new week, so we're anticipating. So right now we've seen a gap here, which I want to see price actually fill up later on, probably later today. We've seen a gap here. All right, that price left. So I want to see price actually fill it up, and this gap that was here, that the market left here, we filled it up already. So pretty much after the market has danced, or it has danced, we'll see New York section, or session rather, if price will actually start giving us an opportunity to sell. So to later today we might actually just, sorry guys, later today we might just see price just do his magic, like fill up this guy. If price doesn't fill up this guy today, so we'll be expecting a fill up maybe tomorrow. So we might just, if price just keeps buying, obviously I will not have to wait for price to do this then, right? But for now, but if price actually fills this guy up, I'll wait for price to sell off drastically, because if we look at it very well, price has just been doing his science and leaving everybody to wonder. Right, so I want to see price just come back down a little bit, just a little bit, a pullback to this area is a very decent one. If price comes here, it's still okay, but buying at this point is actually cool because we are going with full margin, right? I can't really analyze. I don't like to analyze by this time. This is currently 12:33 a.m. GMT +1, yes. All right, Nigerian time. So, I'm just waiting. Let's see the XY. That's sorry, guys. The XY. Should be selling right now after we bought good. So I said I was expecting to. This guy just played out the way I was what I've been anticipating because I wanted price to get into this place. We got there. I wanted price to sweep out liquidity around this fair value gap here, which we did, and currently we're selling, right? So for me, I'm sorry, but the dollar is actually gonna tank. So if you're Nigerian and you're holding USD, this is not financial advice, but in my opinion, the dollar is actually gonna drop. So do with this information whatever you want, right? So we're gonna see this guy sell off, and the more this guy keeps selling, the more gold keeps buying, because a lot of countries will actually start dumping currencies and going into assets. Nobody wants to lose money. So once we do this, this is what I'm just anticipating, right? Once we've gotten to this point, we'll keep selling drastically for DXY. Let's see USD. We'll still have to, probably later on, we'll have to check fundamental news if we have any news this week, and what news we have this week. So for Usdjpy, pretty much, let me clean this chart because the chart is looking messy. Let me just wipe out everything. Clean chart, good. So for me, Usdjpy, let me look at it from the weekly time frame. We pretty much we're going down. Usdjpy, we're actually gonna go down. All right, around this area like this, we can see that price is actually just stalling and trying to build liquidity pool. So for those people, let me use a semantic box instead. So for those people who actually love to trade support and resistance, here's your call for you. You just have to support resistance. Currently we're around this resistance area, so want to see price sell off, go sell off like that. So I guess this week I'll have to, on my watch list, I'll have to see I have to pay attention to this guy. So this week, let me use the daily. Okay, fine, cool. So if we have this right now, price actually swapped out liquidity first of all, right? So we have price swapped out liquidity here, and it's giving us more like a Morningstar or a gravestone, right? Without a Morningstar candle, I can't remember whatever these candles are anymore. So we currently have this guy here. Cool. Okay, I might have to trade this guy this week. So for me, in all honesty, I'm gonna wait for this guy to just do his magic. Come back, right? Then boom. In my own opinion, I just want to see this guy sell off a little bit, buy, then boom, sell. So this is what I will expect to see in the market for Usdjpy. I'm interested in this Usdjpy, so let's see. Let me see if I would actually send it out to my Telegram members. So yeah, lest I forget, for those of you that are just probably just joining and have not, you can join my Telegram channel. link will be in the description of this video, or you'd actually just have to I'm sorry guys, I have a lot of dogs here, so probably you might not hear it, or probably you might hear it. Just I'm recording at very late at night, so oh shit, I have to blur this part off. Okay, so here's my Telegram channel. You can actually just join my Telegram channel, and the link will be in the description of this video, but for now you can just tap out this guy here. So let me see. I'm not even doing so much on this guy right now. I just want to keep it simple. Right. So so that's what I'm expecting for Usdjpy. Let's see Gbpusd. So for Gbpusd, at the look of things, we're going to look. Gbpusd is looking bullish, right? Gbpusd is looking very bullish, pretty much bullish. So what's gonna happen right now? We'll just have to chill. I don't really like this guy. I'm not interested in taking it, but for those of you that want to trade it, let's see. Let's go down to the daily time frame. So this guy looks bullish actually. It looks bullish. Let's look at Euro USD. I've not seen an opportunity on on Gbpusd. So on this Euro USD, we've just taken out the daily low, right? So we're heading for this high to sweep out this guy. So let me see. Let me take out this whole guys here, man. So same Euro USD and Gbpusd actually work hand in hand, or just that one moves faster than the other. So USD, let's see. USD. So since the USD is down, just look for any pair and short it or leverage it against the dollar, and yeah, pretty much it's just that simple. So we might be seeing more bullish moves on USD. So for me this week, I guess I'm more interested in taking what's the name, gold and Usdjpy. Let me look at this gold again, if I would see any opportunity. Nothing yet. So if we don't take gold, we'll have to take Usdjpy. So for now, I'll just have to chill and wait for the market to probably London session or New York session. If I get an opportunity this Asian session, I would actually have to take the trade. So yeah, and another thing, for those of you asking about mentorship, and we currently have ongoing mentorship registration rather. So the promo has ended, but you can actually just register. We have a wait list. The wait list will be posted. The links to the wait list will be posted on the Telegram channel, so you can just join the wait lists. You see everything about the mentorship. You can how you pay, how much, pricing, and everything. So you can actually just join the mentorship, and we'll be starting in March. And yes, I'll be teaching this period. I'll be teaching myself, not any team member. You have access to both psychology classes, because a lot of traders right now, they know how to analyze, but what is actually holding them back is their psychology. So I have a curriculum for both the charts and your psychology, mindset, and everything. Also, pretty much I guess that's just it. So I just don't want to make this video bulky. If you have any question, you can just put it in the chat box or in the comment section. I'll be looking at it, or you join the Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this video. So already know, guys. Echo is active.